Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching the video again. Today I'm going to do something a little different, something you can do for free at home, something that will save you $200-300 is to remove your catalytic converter, your downpipe, clean that out with a drill bit. And supposedly people are seeing about 3 to 5 horsepower increase just by taking that stuff out. So I think what I'm going to do a quick sound comparison as well. So I'll crank it up right now. We'll listen to it after I remove all the mesh and crap from inside the downpipe. Then we'll do another sound test. All right guys, let's see what it sounds like stock first. Okay, so it looks like the first thing you got to do is remove the heat shield here. It looks like there's 4 bolts or screws up on the top of the heat shield, and there's 2 on the bottom. So go ahead and start removing those. Okay, I got the heat shield off. After you get all those screws off, it just drops straight down pretty much. You don't have to wrestle with it or anything. It's nice and easy. I think the next step is to take these springs off. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it looks like the next step is to take your O2 sensor, remove that. It's going to spin, so you're going to want to cut that tie up here and disconnect it from the harness. Okay guys, so I got the O2 sensor out. Just so you guys know, the nut on the O2 sensor is 7/8. Okay, so you take the center panel out from between the 2 seats. That's the clamp that you have to take off. So you have to use a flathead or a pry bar or whatever you got to get that off. All right, so that flange really takes some prying. I have this pry bar wedged in there, and now I'm going to go on the other side and give it a pull and see if it'll come off. Alright guys, there you go. That's what it looks like when it's all off. It's actually 3 pieces inside of there that wrap around the downpipe to hold it right up against the turbo there. Now we're going to go ahead and try to hollow it out. You can see in there, you can kind of see right there, there's a bunch of there's like a metal mesh in there. We're going to try to bore that out with the drill bit. Alright guys, so unfortunately getting the material out from the out of the mid pipe here, I tried to drill it out with the drill bit. I went through probably 5 or 6 different size paddle drill bits. I tried to drill with a concrete drill bit, hole saw, and nothing was working. I made it maybe 1/3 of the way through the material. So I ended up taking it down to my buddy's place. He owns a welding shop in town. He tried a few things as well to get it cleaned out. Ended up popping through the side of the pipe. He cut it out and replaced it with some exhaust pipe that he had sitting at the shop. So it's a straight pipe now, nothing in there at all. He welded it back up real nice for me. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it back on. We'll do another sound comparison when I'm done. See how it sounds. Okay guys, got it all back together. Everything fit perfectly. It looks nice and shiny right now. We'll see how long that lasts. Perfectly straight. Everything lined up again real nice. I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start. Give it a couple revs and we'll see if there's a noticeable change in the way it sounds. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can tell at home or not, but it's definitely louder. It sounds just a little more throaty, I guess. And I could actually kind of feel it. When I would rev it, it actually felt like the hesitation to rev up was almost gone. So, man, I like it. Nice and shiny, man. I wish it would stay that way, but you know it's going to rust and everything. But super happy with it. I paid him $40 to do it. That saved me at least $200-300 if I would have gone out and bought the cat delete pipe, the mid pipe. Those things are, you know, $200, $300, $400 depending on where you buy it. So, but there you go, guys. I'll take it out for a rip tomorrow and see if she accelerates a little bit harder. I'm not sure if it'll be a noticeable difference or not. I do have a blow-off valve coming in from RPM. So that'll be here tomorrow, actually. So I'll probably do another install video on that. So once again, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. If you could take the time to hit the like button, it really helps, you know, especially smaller channels like mine out. Helps us to grow a little bit. So if you don't mind doing that, I appreciate it. And like always, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you later, guys. Thanks.